Hi guys, this is Random. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing laundry and I folded up all of my laundry. I'll probably post a video of me cleaning that, but the quality is different because I'm recording on my phone. But I wanted to do a chit chat, match socks with me. A, so I can get work done, and B, because I really wanted to post like a chit chat video. If you see tiny feet right here, that's my daughter. She's up right now. She was sleeping, but she's up now. See her little feet. But I wanted to post a chit chat video because lately I have found myself having thoughts of like random negativity, feeling overwhelmed by my dreams, feeling very like bogged down, feeling very just like it's impossible. So I wanted to talk through those feelings and basically share how I get through those moments, because I'm really proud of myself and the progress I've made when I have those types of thoughts. So, okay, last night rather, I had those thoughts. And if I'm looking down, it's because I'm actually literally matching socks. Oh, baby. So when I have those thoughts, they rush in like a tidal wave, like, and they're very random. Like, it's just like a switch of negativity. When I have those thoughts, they overwhelm me. They cause me to be like to freeze. And I know I'm not the only person that feels that way. And that's why I'm making this video, because I want you guys to know, if you do feel that way, you're not alone in feeling that. You're not alone in feeling like, I can't do this. And how am I supposed to do this? Or where's this like energy supposed to come from? Or where's this know-how supposed to come from? Like, where do I start? What do I do? And I have those issues as well, like that mindset where I play stuff over and over in my head because I don't really know where to start. So those are the type of feelings I was having, just like really talking down to myself about my dreams, because I felt overwhelmed by my dreams and the things I wanted to do. And then in that same instance, in that same moment, I had to stop myself and talk myself out of having those feelings, because I didn't want to repeat a pattern that I've been repeating. Because I find myself having those feelings, getting really frustrated and freezing when it comes to doing the things that I want to do in life. Like, they just don't get done. Whatever ideas I have, whatever energy I have towards something, like those things just don't get done. And they don't get done because I talk myself out of them. No matter how great the idea is, or no matter how passionate I am about it, when those thoughts enter my mind, it's like, it's not happening anymore. So I stopped myself in my tracks, and I basically confronted myself about factual information. So what's true? And it's not true that it's impossible. That's not true at all. That's just something I told myself. Is that something I'd be comfortable saying out loud? If not, then why am I saying it to myself? I wouldn't dare get in front of 20 people, 30 people, one person, and say, I don't believe in myself. I don't believe in my dreams. I'm gonna fail. I wouldn't dare do that. So why would I do that in my head? Like, why would I say those things to myself in my head? Why would I repeat those types of things to myself in my head? And after I began to ask myself what's true and fact check things, I began to realize, like, girl, you got this. Like, there's absolutely nothing you cannot do, and you're not alone in doing it. And I don't mean to make this a religious thing, but I'm very spiritual, and I talk to God a lot about all of my problems and all of my frustrations. And when I do that, it makes me very comfortable. I'm very honest with God, and I used to feel shameful because I felt like I didn't deserve to have the types of conversations with God that I have now. And now I tell him, like, I'm scared, or, I don't know if I can do this, or like, where do I start? I ask those questions. At the end of the conversation, I let him know, I trust you, I have faith in you, but I am scared. I trust you. I have faith in you, but I don't know where to go from here. I need help. I need your help. I'm very honest with God, and it's made me very comfortable in my relationship with him, where I know he's always got me. It's made my faith so much stronger, and that's how I get through those moments. There are so many people that inspire me to continue and to keep going. There are so many people that inspire me to look past my fears and pursue all the things that I love to do. So if those people weren't doing those things, how would I be inspired? Where would I find my inspiration? What would change me to make me keep going forward? We really do have keys that unlock one another's stories. So I just encourage you guys to keep going. No matter how tired you may get, take a break, take a rest, but get back to it. Or you have a moment where you may feel weak. It doesn't mean it's impossible. It doesn't mean you can't do it. It's okay to take a break. Just come back and keep going. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see from me. Let me know what videos you enjoy the most. Until the next video, I am going to take care of this little munchkin, and I'm done with the socks. I'm done with the clothes. So until the next chit chat with me, it may be chit chat, wash the dishes with me. It may be chit chat, sweep the floor with me. Who knows what the next chit chat will be, but we will get it in, and we will continue to keep encouraging each other. And yeah, until next time, have a good evening, a good morning, and a good night, y'all. Whenever you may be watching this, comment below, and we will see you next time. Bye.